Welcome back, my foodies. Today I'll be showing you how I make my green seasoning blend. This is the basis for most of my dishes. So here we have some Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have some parsley, green onions. Then I have some garlic, onion, bell peppers, and some thyme, and a little oil. You can use water too. Some people do. All right, so now I have rough chopped these. I just chop them roughly just to help break it down in the blender. So we're gonna add just a little at a time, and we're gonna add the more solid veggies first, so it breaks down easier. So we're gonna add a little oil, and then we're just going to blend this out. I use oil because I think it preserves it a little bit longer. All right, so now that that's blended out, we're gonna add the remainder of the veggies or herbs, I should say, and the rest of the oil. And just give that another blend. Now it depends on your blender. If your blender is more powerful, then you can add all of it at once. If it's less powerful, then you want to add just a little bit at a time. Now I added the parsley, and you might need a little help like pushing down the remainder of the ingredients, because as you blend more, the it's gonna be thicker, so it's harder for the stuff to go around. So I just push it down with a spoon or something, and then I give it a quick little blend just to get everything all dissolved. You don't want to over blend it, because then it'll be too liquidy. You want to have like a good consistency, and I'll show you that in just a moment. All right, so now it's done, and we're just gonna test it and see all the chunks are gone. There is no parsley remaining or anything. And that's how I make my blend. Then I just store it in a mason jar, or you can store it in a plastic jar. Either one works. And I use this in like almost all of my meats. In some rice dishes I also use it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy and add this to your dishes, and I'll see you guys next time.